How to copy and paste pictures on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the search bar bottom. Then, open the page that you want to copy the picture from. For example, Superman logo picture. Press and hold the picture and select Copy. Now, go back and open up the Notes application. Tap on New Folder. Then, tap on the new note icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, paste the photo you just copied. Following these steps, you can easily copy and paste pictures on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.